The spoilers for Black Clover chapter 302 is out, and oh my god, what amazing things we get to see. And before I begin, I like to say that we have some good news to talk about and some bad news. The good news being in chapter 302, we see some most anticipated characters coming back. And the bad news is Black Clover chapter 303 is probably on a break the next week. So we might get chapter 303 next to next week. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel as it helps with the new YouTube algorithm.
Back from the dead.
In the last chapter 301 review, I discussed how Asia Silva could make an appearance in Black Clover. So if you haven't watched it yet, I'll link it in the description. Go check it out. Okay, the last chapter ended with Noel getting all fired up and ready to smack the corpses made of blood and steel. And this chapter starts second after previous chapter ended. Noel charges towards Megicula and the corpses are preventing Noel from doing so, with Undine supporting her. The next panel is a bit unclear, but it seems like Real has created a monster kind of thing and he is destroying the corpses. Charlotte has made a spear kind of thing made of her briar magic, and she shoots them to where Megicula is. We have Megicula making a huge blood and steel monster to prevent Noel from attacking her. The monster tries to grab Noel, and guys, our one of the most anticipated characters shows up with lightning speed and destroying the giant. He saves Noel. Yes guys, you guessed right, it's Luck. Noel seems glad that her friends have arrived. We have Luck saying something to Noel, maybe like, you don't need to worry, we all are here to support you. Or maybe he's saying that the others are coming too. With others guys, I mean the rest of the Black Bulls. And I wouldn't be surprised if they do, cause they haven't appeared for a really long time. Okay, Real and Charlotte could be seen supporting Noel by clearing a path for her. And guys, the next page we have Gaja returning from the dead, with a hole inside of him obviously. I just said return from dead, but I hope he is not actually. Seeing Gaja, Luck is overjoyed and joins him. And he probably says, let's turn them into mindsmiths, sensei. We will get to see two lightning users in action. This page kind of fulfills one of my wishes. That is, I've always wanted to see them fight together. And here I have it. Noel has reached Megicula, but Megicula has turned her body into a shield kind of thing, which seems to be a kind of spell. And Noel could be seen forcing her sword into the shield, and Megicula could be seen grinding at her. Everybody is watching Noel from the distance and putting their hopes on her, and her sword could also be seen breaking. Just then, someone comes and encloses Noel in a silver cage. Yes guys, our most anticipated man, the captain of the Silver Eagles, is here, riding on top of a silver eagle and looking down on Megicula and probably saying, so we finally meet, and how dare you lay a hand on our family again. And Megicula looks scared and the chapter ends. Guys, what a chapter. I can't wait for the official translations, and of course the next chapter would be Nozel versus Megicula. But you know guys what, as the story progresses, it's giving me literally goosebumps. The story is getting so much amazing, but I personally think chapter 303 Nozel won't be enough in defeating Megicula, so we might see Nozel and Noel together going all out against her. Alright guys, this is the end of the video, and as soon as the official translations are out, I'll be making videos regarding it. And if anything that makes me predict what's upcoming in the series, you will be getting videos regarding it. So if you don't want to miss spoiler updates like this, hit the subscribe button and like button and share it with your friends. And for now, signing off.